Hey you, and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to short on interactive brokers. And right now we are here on their website, created an account, and what we're gonna do right here is quite simple because we go right here to Tesla. So we search for Tesla, click on Tesla and then click on stock. Then right now we have the chart right here, and what we're gonna do from here is we click right there on sell. So we click here on sell, fill in right here the quantity that we want to sell. Then right here we click on the order type that we want to create. So limit order right now is fine. Select here the limit price, and then from here we can also decide if you want to take profit or stop loss right there. And then after that we click right here on sell order. Then we do accept, and I don't have any money standing on this account, but right now if you have money standing on your account, you just created your short position. So hopefully this was the video where I was looking for. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day. Ciao.